Right, today we're at Lake Norman MarineMax with the SPX 230. We'll start at the back with the submersible swim platform. This folds down for ease of entry in and out of the boat. We've got two walk-through coolers, stone interior. This boat is outfitted with a 6.2 liter 300 engine. Moving up to the front, we have table mounts in the cockpit. This is a twin captain's chair setup. Simrad in the dash, Fusion Bluetooth stereo. It'll also have a Fusion subwoofer. On the left, you have the small head. And again, in the front, we have table access. Pretty large cockpit in the 230. Again, this and many other Sea Rays can be seen at MarineMax Lake Norman. This is SPX 230. Thanks.